Okay, here we are at a weedy garden under the lemon tree, and we've got this Peruvian lily, this plant here, which is a really bad weed because it has these bulbs that are in the soil, and if you leave one of those it will grow from it. So here's my technique for removing this. Okay, if the soil's too hard, then a big fork just loosens the soil up a little bit. But this soil's pretty soft, so there it's just a little bit loose. And then this stuff on top can come off and go into my scrap bin. Now I've been working my way from this edge, so now I've got this, you might recognise it's the front off of a fan. You find them on the side of the road when people throw stuff out. So I'm using this as a sieve. I've drilled some holes in there. So that, there's a couple of ways of doing it, but one is I set it down next to where I want to dig, and with the little spade just lift all that into the fan, and you can see it contains these bits. And I have the nappy bucket over here with it on the nappy bucket. This just gets rid of the soil that would otherwise fill up my bin. And there's all this weed that needs to go out, and then that tips into my compost bin pile. Fan on top there like that, and grab my handful of soil and just dump it up there. Shake the soil out of those weeds, drop that in the bin, and then just shake off the extra, and you'll see there's more in here. So that goes in the rubbish, and I end up with this nice soil that's weed free. So that soil gets tipped onto the side where I've already weeded, and that's what remains. And I just look in that soil to see if there's any remaining. It all looks good there. So then I can that's what it's like underground. Lots of it. So I just tip that in there. And it goes into my green bin. Which is here.